All right, hit it. Oh yeah.
You see
it
the
tumbling? We're finally testing the rudimentary homemade lead slugs using just a propane torch and holes drilled at various depths into a block of wood. Now these are approximately 0.55 inches in diameter, or 55 caliber, and we'll be focusing on this one. It's about a 3/4 ounce slug that's been back drilled in an attempt to see if it'll stabilize. I used a Sharpie pen and colored the back so we could see it, what it's doing on the high-speed camera. These little short ones you see in the background, we took 4 of them, drilled holes in them, and then tied them together with a piece of heavy-duty sewing thread. We'll see if these will work as a Bolo round. All right, hit it. It went through it. Look at it. Look at how distance on that one. Now, despite our efforts to try to stabilize it, it still tumbled around quite a bit. And whatever you hit with it, it's probably going to keyhole. Now, keyholing is when the bullet flies sideways through something. And you may think that's a bad thing, but it's actually can be a very beneficial thing because it transfers a lot more energy and does more damage. All right, hit it. Oh yeah.
You see
it tumbling? The main purpose of the head is to give the shooter and the cameraman something common to aim at, and also to set the depth of focus for the camera, so we have a place in the middle of space where the bullet will be in focus. Now in these shots you can see why I colored the back end of the round with the red Sharpie, so you can really tell its orientation.
Microwave or the grapefruit?
Microwave. Go ahead. I think the big surprise for the day was the performance of these little Bolo Rounds. As I mentioned earlier, they're 4 very thin little lead discs that are each 55 calibers. Now the string or thread, it's a heavy industrial sewing thread, was more than enough to hold them together until they hit the object. But oddly enough, none of them keyholed. They didn't go through sideways. They went through flat, and each created a 55 caliber hole all the way through it. We did a poor job filming this section because we didn't show the door, but we just wanted to show the damage of how the rounds went through multiple layers of this microwave. Definitely a fun day.